This is a tour inside of Hoover Dam located on the Arizona-Nevada border, just west of Las Vegas. During construction, over 5,000 people were employed, pouring a total of 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete. The 17 hydroelectric turbine generators produce a maximum capacity of over 2,000 megawatts of electricity, supplying power to Arizona, Nevada, and Southern California. The dam backs up the Colorado River to form Lake Mead. Lake Mead is down about 30 feet from its historical levels. At maximum capacity, Lake Mead is 112 miles long and 532 feet deep. It has a surface area of 247 square miles, containing over 9 trillion gallons of water. That was a long introduction. Okay, let's get on with the video.
Like I said, my name is Laura, so I'll be your tour guide. So let's start off by showing you where you are, okay? So you are right here in one of the 4 original diversion tunnels in the Nevada Canyon Wall. So let me explain how this resilient group of people descended from all 48 states of the Union to create this marvel of a dam. Okay, so first and foremost, 4 diversion tunnels needed to be blasted out of solid volcanic rock. Each tunnel is roughly 3/4 of a mile long, and that's how they would divert the water around the job site. And these tunnels, they took about 2 years to complete. Then they needed to build 2 copper dams. The upper copper dam, 98 feet tall, and that's how they lifted the water into those diversion tunnels. The lower copper dam, 66 feet tall, and that's how they kept the water from backfilling into the job site. Then,
Walking through solid rock right now. I mean, this is the mountain. Gonna hold it. That's solid. I'll get you up here. Oh boy, this is what I've been waiting for.
pictures and videos you like right now because once I'm done speaking, we gotta go to the next place. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Bureau of Reclamation, welcome to the Nevada.
I can understand the words you're saying.
Mobile bridge cranes. The other one is further down the bay, and then we also have 2 more on the Arizona side. Now these cranes can go ahead and go from one side of the bay to the other, so they're on rollers. Now just one crane can lift up to 300 tons at a time. So for example, the Statue of Liberty, she weighs 225 tons, so that's strong enough to lift her. Now if we were to take both the cranes and put them together to build a super crane, that can lift up to 600 tons, which is perfect.
Ventilation shaft. We're in a ventilation shaft here. I think this looks to the outside.
And so but you'll see on the walls, people have written stuff. They were just calculating stuff. They would find a crack.
The edge of a ventilation shaft.
Our security response force.
That's pretty cool, but it's hard to get a good shot out of here. Those openings are narrow.
Yeah, so there's the earthquake control metering device. Hang a right here, you're going to walk down to the stairwell. All houses in older cities still that have that on their ceiling. So they took it home and polished it.
The upper forms were held in place by cypress wood from Florida, Georgia, Alabama. 2-inch wide. It was oily, so it was perfectly easy to bend and work with.
All 5 foot deep. So sorry to burst anyone's bubble.
I think I'm going to pass on these stairs. Oh, yeah.
Think about a form that is about 60 by 60 and 8 cubic yards. That's about what a cement mixer today.
I forgot how far she said, but it's a long way.
Because the majority of those people died on the air.
That's going up. I just noticed behind me.
So
This is going
what would
down.
happen is your buddy
Oh my goodness. No. If I had to go hike this go to work, I'd just not bother going home.
And watching news that I've seen. So I'm starting to watch
Oh,
it.
what this side
They said they passed the
shaft
bill
incline is.
for no more daylight savings time.
Must have had some piping flowing through the concrete, maybe to cool it.
So even that, I'm not even.
Leave the button during he's open. Okay. And then that's looking down. Well, Dan, let's see if we get a better shot here.
News. So, any questions, guys? No questions?
Where the white is just above the water.
So
That used to be
Right there. It says
water
Hoover
all
Dam
there.
Exhibits. Yeah,
So
that's our
that shows you
original
the
exhibit.
Lake Mead is about down 30 feet. That's where we came out of the tour. It's 575 feet. We begin the tour by taking an elevator all the way down. Power transmission lines coming from down here. Yeah, those aren't falling. That's just the way they have to be mounted. The border between Nevada and Arizona is right there in the middle of the Colorado River. Now that building says Nevada time, and you probably can't see it because it's too far away. Down here, the clock down there says Arizona time. What's that sound I hear? Oh, that's the sound of comfort. I'll take advantage of this right here and right now. Driving across the dam, we just passed the Nevada clock, and now we're entering Arizona. Arizona now, come on! See the clock up there? That Arizona clock. That's a big bridge. Here's the Welcome to Arizona sign. Looking back at the dam. Hi, my name's Captain Obvious. You see all that white down there? That was the water line. Yep, they're in a drought. It's a bad drought too.
Ja. Also ich finde auch von Overdraft, das sieht cool aus, mit der Wasserlinie.
Well, this is the Colorado River that the Hoover Dam backs up and it becomes Lake Mead. And there's the boats, the boat docks. But if you look just here to the left, you see boats on land right down there. Well, all that land used to be underwater. Way back up there, that was all underwater. Out here, these little pyramids, these little hills, they were all underwater except for the top part where it's brown, not tan, and that would have been out of the water. Lake Mead's down about 30 feet right now. I hope you've enjoyed this video of Hoover Dam and Lake Mead, so when you visit, you'll have a little idea of what to expect and you'll be able to look forward to what you're going to see. If you appreciate it, slap that like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, press the red square subscribe button and tap the bell to get notified each time I publish a new video. Much appreciated, y'all. See you later. Hasta luego.